So today is Thursday, March, I don't know, 13th or 14th. But this is what my contractor, so and that just blew off. That was in the wind there, so he failed to secure that. That caused damage to my foam forms. Let me go around the other side and see what's going on over there. Wasn't blowing like this a while ago. Let me take a picture of this. So there's what happened. So looking at, like, these, he just did a piss poor job of applying all these spacers.